registered retirement savings plan, or RRSP, is one of the most powerful tool that we can use towards retirement. Many people fear that they will end up paying more taxes. I'm here to let you guys know could be missing out in tax deductions of tens of thousands of dollars in work taxes throughout your career. So we're gonna clear up some common myths that many people have towards the RRSP. At the end of this presentation, you will be able to make a solid decision whether or not to apply this to your retirement plan. But first, please do me a favor. Please hit the like, subscribe, so that you can help out the channel. In case you haven't met me before, my name is Leon Mann. I'm a licensed wealth consultant with Money Assist Financial. And what I do, I help hardworking folks such as you, add an additional multiple 6 to 7 figures to your retirement portfolio. I'm able to do this by providing a free, no obligation financial analysis. The financial analysis is there to help you to map out your future. It's going to help you to distinguish from where you currently are to where you would like to end up. Now, one common myth that many people often say about an RRSP is that it is only good for retirement. Now, while we need an RRSP during retirement, it can help first-time home buyers to fund the first home. It can help you to put down a down payment, first of all, so that you can be able to fund your first house in a tax-efficient manner. And another thing, it does provide a lot of tax sheltering benefits throughout your working career. It can save you tens of thousands of dollars in tax deductions throughout your career, right? So think about that for a second and let me know about it. But as you can see, it is not only used for retirement, but it is used throughout your career, throughout your life, for a variety of reasons. The second myth that we're gonna bust today is that it is always good to maximize your registered retirement savings plan. While maximizing this could do a lot of good, if you do not maximize your registered retirement savings plan, you can carry forward your contribution room so that when you get to the later stage in your life where you're earning the highest income, then you can go ahead, maximize it, and take advantage of the tax sheltering benefits so that the more income that you earn, you're not going to be paying more taxes. You're going to get back more in the form of a tax refund, right? The third myth is that, yes, I have a work pension. I do not necessarily need an RRSP. Now, while you have a work pension, you cannot discount the flexibility and the benefits that registered retirement savings plans will allow you to fund your retirement. Think of your CPP benefit. If you're able to fund your retirement and you structure your registered retirement savings plans correctly, you can fund your retirement, you can delay CPP payments until age 70. And when you delay your CPP payments, then you can receive the full benefits of your CPP simply by funding it with an RRSP. Like, for example, right, your early retirement. And you're still entitled to receive all of your government benefits when you actually do it correctly and you structure it well and you receive it and you transfer it before the age of 71 into a RIF. Then you can roll it over. You can do so tax-free. You will only pay the taxes every time you take it out. So this a lot of people don't know about. So this is what I want to mention in this one. The fourth thing is that when you're retired, you're going to be paying more taxes. And I want to clear this up as well. Yes, with the registered retirement savings plan, you delay paying taxes until your later years. But as I mentioned before, if you structure it well and you roll this over into a RIF before the age of 71, you can roll it over tax-free and you do not pay any taxes on the large sum. You will only pay taxes when you roll it over and you withdraw every single month as income, right? So many people, they sort of misunderstood this part, but this is why we basically teach financial literacy, is to show you how you can take full advantage and become as tax efficient as much as you can during the retirement years. The other myth is that the RRSP is only good for tax sheltering purposes. Yes, it does provide tax sheltering, but the magic happens inside your account. When your investments multiply, when your investments 10x, guess what? There is no capital gains taxes to be paid. There is unlimited growth inside your registered retirement savings plans account. You only will pay taxes, of course, when you take it out, but there is also a way to avoid that from happening, in which I would usually be able to help you out with. The process is to minimize as little taxes as much as possible during your retirement years. So as you can see, there's a lot of confusion, but it can also be a lot of costly mistakes if you do not know how it works, so that it can save you a lot of taxes throughout your working career and your lifetime at work. Of course, it depends on things like the amount of income that you have, your family's situation, but if you know about it, it is perhaps one of the most powerful wealth building tools that we have here as Canadians, and we can take advantage of as Canadians. So I would thank you guys for tuning in. Feel free to subscribe, like, and share so that you can receive the notification every time I put out a new YouTube video. Also, if you have any questions about it, feel free to drop it in the comments or go to my website. It's leonman.ca. I'm going to drop the link in the description, and I thank you guys for tuning in. Until next time, peace and love. Take care.